maglaro ako ng Aouni. Sige, anong pangalan? What is the main character's name? Hiroshi Ten. Okay, 10. Okay. Lagay mo ako ay 3 letters lang. Maganda. Ano ito? Simbahan? Ay, mansion. We heard a rumor about a mansion on the outskirts of town. Okay. They say there is a monster that lives there. It's a lot prettier. Wait. Wait muna mga kachopa. It's a lot prettier. Is it just me or is it cold in here? Hurry, let's get out of here. Or is he frightened? So let's just make a frightened voice. Hurry, let's get out of here. What's wrong with you, Takeshi? You scared? Oh, so you're a bully. Bull. Right. Hey, let's get out of here. So stupid. There's no way monster can exist. It's scientifically impossible. Hey, Hiroshi-ten. 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 Be careful. Why can't I go back? Why? The door is locked. So, ano ba ito? Space. Okay, space. So beautiful. I found the item play chart. Yay! Of item name play chart. Can I stab someone? Or is this murders? Oh, so I need to find someone. I need to find someone. So stupid. Won't open. Won't open. Okay. Oh my god. Someone passed here. Is someone passed? Let me say first. Wait, did I just say? Did my friend say? Oh my goodness, he's gonna be mad. It won't open. Okay. So, dito. It won't open. Halos lahat na. Almost everything won't open. Every door. Okay. Oh wait. There's something in here. I'm more like clicking all things before going out. Shivery. Takashi. Shivery. Where are the others? Shivery. Shut. Pussy boy. Trickadats. Okay. Cannot be done. Wait, what? Wait. Good. We just moved. Wait, is there a shiny thing? Shiny thing. I found the item library. Sabi ng kaibigan ko doon daw sa first floor yung saan daw yung kitchen, di ba yung kitchen? Kasi may pintuan dito. Meron na dito. Wala. Ito ito pala. May dumaan. Dito yung nagtatago ka dito, no? Hello? 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 Wala man, siguro. Hmm. Wait, dito pala ako nag-ano. Katanga-tanga ko, katanga-tanga. So, I found an item. Bedroom key. Katoy. Oh shit. Ano gagawin ko? Give me the creeps. So, what the fuck? Wait. Am I just lucky that this door just opened? Like, come here. Come here. This one. What the? Just why is this game like every time you go anywhere it's just coming to everywhere? You just got lucky at another. The used bedroom key is just in here. I thought it was in the second floor with the left door. Game. Kala ko katapos. Wala ko pala natapos. So, doon yung bedroom key. So, doon ako didiretso. Okay. Second try. Door. So, hindi yan dyan pwede madaanan. Door lang. Wait. Ay. Asan ko ba? Ay, dito. Wala lang akong pake sa'yo. Wala lang akong pake. Shivering na naman sinasabi mo. So, doon ako second floor dumaan. Ay, third floor pala yung doon. Di ako takot sa'yo. Di ako takot. At pagkatapos, tumakbo ka na. Huwag ka nang tumingin. Bakit ka pang tumingin? Diretso, taas. Diretso, taas. Diretso. Ito. Patay ako na. Patay naman ako. Takbo ka lang. Takbo. Pero isa-isa, kung pumasok ako, anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko? Pumasok yun. Sige. Wala. Meron dito. Meron ba dito? Meron ba dito? Bastos. Ay, bastos. Magpiano. Piano. So, dito na po natatapos ang ano ko. Salamat na lang sa pagnunood nyo. Tapos, salamat, Paul. Thank you. Bye-bye.